Welcome to Samoa.
Time for TNS family. Welcome to Samoa. Choo! What's up, TNS family? We're back with yet another vlog. It's your girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
We're actually going to shoot off and go to the gym, but before we go to the gym, we definitely got to give you a room tour. So follow me.
Go.
Welcome to our crib. Okay, so we did just get a standard room and we are based out in Amanaki, which is in town. We're right next door to Elisa Hotel as well as Millennia Hotel. So if you don't know where Amanaki is, but you do know these other hotels, we are right next door to them. We do have just our king bed right here.
Boom.
Don't mind us, we tried to do it the way the hotel people do it, but yeah, we couldn't really do a good job. We have a desk here, we did our vlog on this table right here.
Boom.
This kettle has been really loyal to us. We have been making our noodles with this. And just our standard fridge with 18s, we've drinking like 4 bottles of 2-liter waters, sponsored by Samoa Waters. And yeah guys, now we got the best view. I just love this view. Are you ready? Honey, do you think they're ready?
I think they're ready.
Actually, hold on. Y'all need to pause this video right now. Go and subscribe to our channel if you want. Subscribe to us. Make sure that you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now he's ready? Okay, he's ready. 3, 2.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I see a few bananas down there. They don't belong to us.
They don't belong to you, honey.
But you know what? I'm just ruthless, man.
Wow.
Wow, like, oh my god.
We just want footage, eh? Honey, get a nice one. That doesn't look like a nice one.
It is a nice one.
Is it? Okay, come. Lucky our room's right next door.
Okay family, so we're stocked up, got our half banana, and we're gonna head off to the gym right now. We don't know what we're gonna do after, but you know that you guys are gonna come along for the ride and enjoy the island time.
Island time. Let's go, family.
What's up everyone? If you're ever in Samoa, come on down to JB Fitness, JB2 here in APIA. Thank you everyone, enjoy your holiday.
Alright family, so we have just finished gym. Actually no, we finished our workout, we went and sussed something out, which you guys are going to see very soon.
It's really nothing, it's just where we were staying.
It's actually something. It's so
he's talking like it's like major news or something.
Nah, yeah, so we went and sussed something out anyways. And then we realized we need to go shopping, we need to eat. So we're here at Farmer Joe's Waikele, like I said in the vlog previously.
We were going to buy those soy patties that Tuxx was talking about in the last vlog. If you don't know what vlog we're talking about, leave a card up here, click on that video. It's here or here, somewhere over here. But yeah, what are we gonna eat?
No idea.
I mean, we can be ruthless and ask the restaurant, like Amanaki restaurant, if they can cook the patties for us, but like I feel like that would be annoying. So yeah, we actually can't take you inside. We got told off yesterday for like doing a snap in Farmer Joe, so you can't come inside. But we will see you after this and we'll let you know what we got. Let's go. Alright fam, so we just got back home. I'm going to show you what we got. So, Tuxx really wanted to get some mussies. And yeah, living for that. The ingredients are flour, sugar, vegetable oil, soya, onions. Cool. What's soya? Like soya sauce? So he got this. Tuxx also wanted to get some bongos. He loves bongos. I might have some of these bongos, the green ones. He also got a pack of 2-minute noodles and the bread. And you guys, that's what we got. Bebe, do you feel like you want to go for a swim?
Yeah, I do actually.
You do? You want to go jump in that water?
Funny thing, usually here I like to swim, but not so much, But
yeah,
this time around I've got like an urge to jump.
Oh, you got an urge? What sort of urge?
Get an urge.
Like an urging urge? Oh.
So yeah,
I think we're gonna go for a swim because Tuxx wants to have a swim and
yes.
I just tag along. I'm down for the vibe. And then for dinner, so we ended up getting the sausages for dinner, which is the vegan sausages. Show them, honey. Plant-based sausages. So we're actually gonna go and ask the kitchen if they can actually cook this for us. They don't have like a kitchen in the hotel room, obviously. If they did, that would have been so perfect, but that's okay. We're gonna go and ask if the staff can cook that for us, and we might order a salad. I don't know what my husband's gonna eat, but I know that he's gonna have some of the sausages, and then maybe we'll have some hot chips, right honey?
Hot chips, baby, it's the only way.
A few moments later.
The staff at Amanaki were kind enough to cook our sausages.
They're so awesome. Seriously, thank you Amanaki staff.
Thank you
We
so
appreciate you.
Okay, I need to take us a little walk through of what
Alright family, so right here we have our vegan sausages, and they are made out of honey. I totally forgot to read the box, but they're definitely plant-based sausages, and I totally forgot to get the brand. Don't worry, we will be buying more of these while we are on holiday, so
yep, definitely.
We'll definitely let you know on our next vlog. I got a side of a garden salad.
Spin it around.
That's cute. Oh, cute. We also have over here some fries and tomato sauce for Tuxx. So let's have a look at that. Oh, honey. Is it good?
Yeah.
So
we good.
We have that, and I'm gonna try it with some of the salad that they had given us. That.
Alright fam, that's it. So we're gonna dig in, and after we're gonna go for a little swimming. So we'll get a little bit of that, and then
definitely gotta get a fresh one.
Okay. Our family, so didn't last long, but it was delicious.
Definitely.
Honey, rating?
I rate it. Oh, sorry. 3, 2. Wait. I haven't thought about it. Can we rate the sausage on its own?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, let's think. Yeah. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, 9.
7. I rated it a 7. I just feel like the sausage back home that we usually get from Coles. I forgot the brand. Is it Nature?
Yeah, I think it's a Coles brand.
It's a Coles brand and it's Nature. I don't know, I like it because there's like a bit of a tang and a spice in it. This one is like solely just it's got a flavor, but I can't explain it, but it's still nice. Like, I still really enjoy it. I feel like if I was to cook this maybe tomorrow myself, I would definitely love it even more. That's just, I don't know, I can't explain it. What about you?
I gave it a 9 because just due to how we've been eating like in the last 24 hours or maybe even more, it really felt good to eat some good food, cooked food instead of boiled
noodles and
that makes sense. But yes, it was very delicious. It kind of tasted like pork, to be honest. It was weird, but it was nice. And then the chips and the salad.
The salad was really good.
Yeah, it was good.
I will give it a 10. I don't really like salads.
So Amanaki, you've done a great job. Thank you again, guys. Almost time to go for a swim.
Okay, can we just acknowledge this guy's tanned arms? Like, so uneven there, bruh. Okay, so we came looking for these lights because we wanted to like show you guys, and plus last year when we came, one of our girls brought us here. When we came the lights were off, but today we came and the lights are on, but they just do have the lights off with like the lamb and baby Jesus is.
Baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus. How cute is that? We're just gonna take some photos and then we'll leave. So cute. So cute.
Why are you lying?
No, Samoa knows how to throw down Christmas lights as well. I'm scared that someone's going to come and tell us to move or stop. Pay, lol, even. Okay family, so like Tuxx said, we're gonna end the vlog here. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We know we just did this basics today, hit the gym, did some shopping, hanged out, did our fit hours. But please stay tuned, we will go into the villages and all of that. We're actually just waiting for my parents and my siblings to get here.
Yeah, but just remember, this is only the start of our trip. We still have many more days.
We're actually here for 3 weeks, fam.
Yeah,
so.
fam. So yeah.
Day 1 done. But we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Tuxx and Sera Vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go down and click that link down below. Give us a thumbs up on this video and comment down below what village are you from. But if you're Bailangi, what country are you from? If you're Senga, which part of China are you from? But yeah family, we love you guys so much, and like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye. Oh, you thought we were done. We wanted to give a massive shout out to everyone who comes from LAKEY. We love you. Tofa.
Soifua.